Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, and it's September 26th. Hope you guys had a great weekend. We've got a real hot day going on here over in Southern California here. Supposed to be 100 degrees here at the beach. So we're trying to stay cool. Hey, we're going to jump right into it. We only got one economic item on the docket today, and that's sales for the month of August. So July, we had a 659,000 new home sales. Forecast supposed to dip down to 600,000. And it did dip down there. Pretty close expectation of at 609,000. So not overall good numbers, even though it's a pretty big drop. But that's about a 7.6% drop month over month. But if you look over year, it's over 20% increase from August of 15 to 16. So new home sales were pretty hot actually this year. And most of the new home sales that we're seeing are primarily in the higher end homes as well as some of the multi-family homes. That's where we're kind of seeing it. They weren't really doing a lot of the entry-level homes or moderate homes just due to costs involved and profit taking. So that's where most of those new home sales are being built. Stock market is down today. A lot of it is the uncertainty with the presidential debate. This is the first of 3 presidential debates we'll be having. There's a lot of back and forth as to who's favored, and from Hillary Clinton to Trump. This is the big one between them, and so this will be the first one. So there's again a lot of what's pricing the market is that they're kind of projecting that Hillary might win. So the stock market's kind of priced her in there. So if anything switches the other way, it's like Trump, like maybe he's more favored. You might see the stock market kind of taking a big change to reflect what it might look like for possibility of Trump being in there. Oil's up a little bit today, primarily because there's a meeting this week between OPEC and other oil-producing countries like Russia, people like that are not part of OPEC, hoping to come to some type of agreement with stabilization of the prices. So oil prices went up about 3% so far this morning. Also in Europe, which is kind of trickling over to Wall Street, there's a lot of concern with Deutsche Bank. They had a huge loss came in, and so their stocks are dropping quite a bit, which is kind of really affecting the European as well. It's coming over to the Wall Street, so it's affecting the stocks over in the U.S. as well. And basically, Angela Merkel, the minister in Germany, said even though they declined that there was any help asked, that they declined that they won't be providing any assistance. The government won't be providing them any assistance. So food for thought. So let's take a look here at the bond market, and the bond market, of course, is at the expense of stock market, is having a rally today. So we're up about 15 basis points from where we left off our price. So here's Friday. We kind of ended the day up about 3 basis points, and now we're up about 15. Now we got this new resistance here, as you can see. We're just touching off. It came pulled back. I'd be very, if you're floating out there, I would kind of look to maybe locking in, as we're kind of at the heights of where we've been. We haven't really been above this except for the Brexit. Potentially maybe the stock market could be, this could be affected by the elections. We could have trickle out maybe elections, but otherwise the only time we were above it was only for about a day or two after the Brexit announcement, and then it came back down to these levels. So these were kind of like our highs of this year of levels. So I would kind of maybe potentially locking in any interest rates that you might be floating out there. All right, folks, have a wonderful rest of your day, and we will look to see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.